Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So thank you very much for checking on us today. Israel the trader speaking right here. So in today's video, we're going to do analysis on Euro USD. I will tell you what exactly is going to happen on Euro USD when the market opens and stuff like that, guys. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. I don't want to waste any of your time, right? So and of course, guys, let's just try to introduce you to today's sponsor of the video, which is Trader Central. Trader Central is a funding ecosystem that fund retail traders, and Trader Central, they are very, very good at what they do, guys, because they will fund you in about 24 hours. So all you have to do is just click on the link down in the description in order for you to join Trader Central. They are very, very trustworthy, and you can also do lots of things with Trader Central, guys, like portfolio tracker, copy trade, and so on and so forth. Just do yourself a favor. Just go down in the description. You'll see a link and click on it. Then it will lead you to Trader Central, where you explore and just check it out for yourself, guys. It is very, very important, right? With that being said, let's go ahead and start the analysis on Euro USD. So you guys can see this is Euro USD daily time frame right now. And of course, by me looking, you all supposed to know that this is a downtrending market, right? This is a downtrending market. You can see from up here, the market has been moving to the downside consistently. So, but we're going to focus on what happens right here on this particular time frame, being daily time frame, right? And of course, if you know how I usually trade, I like to just put my major support and resistance on the daily time frame whenever time I'm trying to do my analysis and stuff like that. It is very, very important, right? So let's just try to put our major support and resistance, guys, so that we can know these are our key levels and stuff like that. It is very, very important, right? So let's try to put everything right here as our major support and resistance. And you guys remember that we actually use about 4 to 5 maximum support and resistance on the daily time frame. So you all can see that I'm just trying to plot like the maximum support and resistance, right? So right now, since we are now having our support and resistance, which is the major ones on the daily time frame, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame so we can just check out what exactly is happening on the 4-hour time frame as well. Very, very important, right? So you guys can see this is a 4-hour time frame. So the next thing that we're going to be doing on this 4-hour time frame is let's try to put our trend line. Let's try to put our trend line. So our trend line is going like this, guys. You all can see that's how our trend line is on this particular time frame, being the 4-hour time frame, right? So that's the trend line. Now what are we supposed to do next? What are we going to do next? Just make sure you are following along, guys, so that you will not be left behind on this particular analysis, right? You can see there's another level here again, but other than this, let's try to go down to the 1-hour time frame so that we can just spot out what is happening on this particular level here. You can see that the market made some moves right now, trying to push back up to the upside, but we are saying that this is a major resistance level, right? So let's try to put another thing here. And remember, this is our 4-hour time frame, and the market is touching our trend line right now. So I might see a fall on this particular pair, being Euro USD, right? So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame so that we can just see and understand exactly what is happening on the 1-hour time frame as well. Very, very important. So let's try to put our rectangle line here. This is another support level. So right now, let me change the color of this to the 4-hour time frame color. Yep. So now we'll leave this one as the 1-hour time frame color, right? So right now, guys, you guys can see that the market is trying to make some changes and stuff like that. You can see that the market trying to push back up to the upside now, but don't forget that we are having our major level here, which is this, and this is our resistance area, right? So which means that we are expecting the market to push down to the downside from where it is right now. So but before it do that, definitely it's going to play out some role before we're going to be seeing this particular market pushing to the downside, right? So right now this is the 1 hour time frame, and of course if you observe something here, there's something like a trend line pushing back the market to the upside, right? So let's say change the color to the 1 hour time frame color. Then you know, what am I expecting on Euro USD right now is that we're going to be seeing that the market will break out of this particular trend line, gonna come down like this, then boom, retracement, boom, before it's going to come down to this point again. So it will give us this perfect head and shoulder pattern in order for Euro USD to fold all the way to the downside, which is going to be around price 1.03506. But you know, there's something that determines if Euro USD is going to fall or it's going to go back up to the upside, guys. So right now, let's try and check out for DXY so that we can know what is happening on DXY, right? So I just trying to was trying to just make some analysis and stuff like that on DXY last week. So right now, DXY, guys, you can see is trying to create this channel to the downside, but right here, we are seeing some sort of movement, right? So DXY from where it is right now, we are going to be expecting that DXY is going to go back up to the upside, but it has to break out of the structure before it's going to go up to the upside, right? That's why we have to wait for some sort of confirmations on Euro USD before we decide where is going to go. And of course, right now I'm seeing that Euro USD is going to go down to the downside, right? So it is very, very important for us to do our analysis this way so we can know what exactly we are expecting from the market next week when it opens, right? So with that being said, guys, so I would like to thank each and every one of you for tuning in today, and I really appreciate it. So once more again, thank you very much. I will see you guys in our next video. Expect another analysis or tutorial videos coming, in few hours, few minutes, few days. It depends on when the video is up and stuff like that, right? So with that being said, thank you very much. I wish each and every one of you a good and happy weekend, man. So peace out, guys. I'm signing out, man.